Imo. Let me not get for one. Imo. What is that one for me? And I told you so you hear me.
So if I hear you back, I can't take it. Why will I answer you? No, give me one particular reason why I should answer you. What will be your problem, sir? Why you will I die untimely because of you? Somebody where married wife supposed to have peace of mind. I marry you, I get peace of mind. What kind of thing is that? What is it? Why are you shouting my name?
What will be this?
What do you look like?
Oluwa boy show me this say na you buy.
As Oluwa boy show you say na me buy. What he look like? This thing does it resemble your papa? You didn't mago.
Now I know what you want open poultry as in what manage gaga so much shishi okoko umu krekere okoko.
Why he trying to go on the good short? On the going with a low mentality, you have a very small brain man. Your brain is malfunctioning. What kind of stupid thing is that? This is what I bought for Christmas. I bought this chicken for Christmas, and you want to force me to go? Will I kill myself because I want to celebrate Christmas?
You bought this bottle for Christmas? Where is? Pigeon.
P.
Ndurala. What will be your problem, sir? Say what you buy for your family for this Christmas. Just to take a look.
So what am I supposed to? Or what should I have bought for my family?
Go to other people's house. They won't get
other people's house. This is Chief Imo's house. Yes, this is Chief Imo's house, and this is not other people's house. So do not go to other people's house. Okay, fine and good. Is it only ram and a bullet? Is it the only thing you have seen in people's house? Those people's house, have you not seen where a wife go to the market and buy ram for the family? Or have you not seen in other people's house where a woman go to the market, buy what her husband's supposed to buy, and use it to compliment the husband? Say, let me support you. Have you ever supported me? Even why you after you go say what a man can do, a woman can do it. Now a man can buy ram. Never buy a ram where I want to see you on top of ram. Buy ram and give me. Christmas. How many Christmas have you celebrated? No Christmas or Guabu. Christmas is even supposed to. Why everybody is trying to kill him or herself for Christmas? Why we are supposed to bend down? Christmas is supposed to be a period of reflection. You bend down, calm down. After everything you have passed through the year, Christmas is supposed to be a period of reflection. But you people have turned Christmas to be a time of toxic moment when you bully your husband bullying wife, girlfriend bullying boyfriend, social media people bullying internet people. Oh yes. I make a wire practice. Ngakakaham. Okuna ni ham na kwa. Ngakakaham. Asangakaham wa imegini. Ya to kwasi atie. Ngakam gra to kwasa.
Imo kangwe nkurolodo. Kangwe titindrolagi. Ngahaka gi hako hatokwa. Ngahaka gi hako hatu muriki gweputo. Just gweputo kwonte. Igweputo kwota. Ye meditate ihe. Shina to kapwa.
If you run faster than your God, you will continue to run until you get tired. If you allow God to run before you, then He will be behind you, beside you. Then you are the middle. You will sit and see. If I am not able to provide the nama, talking, Jackie, all of these things you mentioned, my children in future will do it. If everybody become Okaranya, God made it like this. That is how God made it, to balance it, and it is really balanced.
You push yourself. I'm going to be happy. na joke. What did I bring about gosh? You're telling you up on over. Yeah, but
this is the problem of so many mothers these days. They don't care how you made the money. They don't care where it come from. They don't care whatever you are doing to make the money. But what they are interested in is how you bring money back home. You had her now. I should send the lower boy to go and pay her people. You only remember Chibike who brought a little money home. You don't care about how Chibike made the money. But did you remember the elder brother to Chibike that he is still in the prison? That guy is still in the prison and nobody is sure he's coming out soon. He's in the prison. Is it not better you make it small? Small, how God will take prepare it for you. Oh, the car called the injure. Oh, God, the man. Christmas. A lot of people have gone through why preparing to make Christmas look like this. Christmas not a finish. If I am not able to be rich than you expect today, my children in the future will become. So many of our parents were not rich during their time. Oh, Muhammad had this rich. You see parents now like moving around, they're amazing gala because they were patient. If I continue to live the way you are pushing me to go and do this, do that, I will die before my time. But I will not abandon what God has blessed in my life. God created me in His own likeness and image. I am a Christian. Christianity is not all about going to church. Get up here. Christianity is how you live your life, what you represent as a being, how you live your life, how God has made you. That God is God. God is God. When you live like Christ, like He created you to be like Him, do what He asked you to do. You will see it. You will, Maggi, no, come and buy jacket. A woman that's supposed to be the mirror of a family. Any family, a mother should represent her mother. And not when you are called a mother, you become mother or you become mother. Look at what you are asking your children to go and do. Because of Christmas. You are still like this. Even if the buy jacket give you now, you go still not add flesh. Because your mind is sick. The beauty of a woman lies in her heart. The beauty of every home lies in the mother. When the mother is good, she will use her goodness to influence everybody around. Even when your husband is the worst, it is the character and the behavior of that woman that will make that man to change. But when the house is on fire, wine on a river, family abasa, God forbid I take your advice. It is either Jesus or not. Christ in me. Happy Christmas to everybody. Mind what you do. Because what you do speaks. You think nobody is seeing you. He's waiting for you tomorrow. Karma is real. I don't talk my own. Merry Christmas to all my fans. Subscribe. Share.